Do I need hub-centric wheel spacers for Porsche Cayenne? High-end manufacturers will make the hub-centric wheel spacer specifically. This ensures that specific wheel spacer fit a specific vehicle perfectly. BONOSS wheel spacers with a special hub-centric design for Porsche make it fit the wheel and the hub better. When the spacers are firmly installed on the hub assembly, there will be no gap. Perfect fitment brings a snug wheel connections. Hub-centric wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a smart connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with an ordinary hub-centric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage hub-centric design, which means that the multi-stage hub-centric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Besides, they can also be used to change the center ball of your car, making it possible to install wheels with different center balls to your vehicle properly, transforming bloxsport wheels into hub-centric wheels. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.